Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a couple deals. Today I wanted to show you some comparisons of the Dewalt starter pack buy one get one deals. The differences between the Lowe's deal and the Home Depot deal. So let's start here first with the Lowe's deal. Lowe's, you get two 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag, and then you get a free gift with purchase. Let's look at those. You got an angle grinder. You can get another 5 amp hour battery, a brushless impact driver, your jigsaw, random orbital sander, a job site Bluetooth speaker, the router, oscillating multi-tool, 6.5-inch cordless circular saw, a 1/2-inch square drive impact wrench, 3/8-inch square drive cordless impact wrench, and reciprocating saw. So those are the tools that you can get with the Lowe's version. Let's go ahead and check out the Home Depot. Alright, Home Depot, you get, it's a little bit different. Instead of having two 5s, you get a 4 amp hour and a 6 amp hour charger in a bag, and then you get a free gift with purchase. And they have the same Bluetooth speaker, same grinder, same circular saw, oscillating multi-tool. This is something Lowe's doesn't have to offer with it, is a angle grinder, the same router, same jigsaw, same reciprocating saw, same 5 amp hour battery, same random orbital sander. This is something that Home Depot has that Lowe's doesn't for this deal. It's the cordless 3-inch cutoff tool. It has kind of a kit with it. Got a couple cutoff wheels, it looks like, a dust collector, leaf blower. This guy right here is I think is one of the bigger differences in the two deals is you can get this 1/2-inch impact wrench. This is I think the newest one. It's the atomic, so it's really small. Also this band saw, it's the atomic version. You got the SDS ultra compact hammer drill, and you could also get a 6 amp hour flexible battery. So kind of a little bit of differences between the two. Kind of think of what tools you're looking at getting. They have a lot of the same tools, but they also have a couple different ones here at Home Depot. And if you want a 4 amp hour and a 6 amp hour, or if you'd rather have two 5 amp hour batteries. Alright, that's just a short video real quick comparing the two buy one get one Dewalt battery starter kit deals. Thanks for watching my video. You guys have a great day.